For our third place winner will receive a certificate and 3,000 worth of cash and gift certificates from Santa Lucia Mall to be awarded by Miss Erickson Caldas. And our Senior Got Talent third place winner is contestant number 4, Christopher Villanueva.